Hi, folks. This comes from Alan West, Republic, 2015. As promised, President Obama is using executive action to impose gun control on AR-15 223-556 style ammo for all bullet makes and models. This ban, as you know, is driving up the prices of the 223-556. If it hasn't in your area, it will soon. The Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives this month revealed that it was proposing to put a ban on 556 ammo on a fast track, immediately driving up the price of the bullets and promptly retailers, including huge outdoors company Cabelas, to urge sportsmen to urge Congress to stop the president. Wednesday night, Rep. Bob Goodlatte, Republican chairman of the House Judiciary Committee, stepped in with a critical letter from the Bureau demanding it explain the surprise. One second, I gotta scroll down a bit. There we go. Sorry, one second. Demanding that it explain the surprise and abrupt bullet ban. The letter is shown below. The National Rifle Association, which is working with Goodlatte to gather co-signers, told The Secret that 30 House members have already co-signed the letter, and Goodlatte and the NRA are hoping to get 100 fast. Well, I don't see that happening. This is their pet project, people. This is not anything you and I can do. So this is it, folks. Get the word out. Your AR-15 ammo is about to be taken off the shelves and banned entirely, along with your net neutrality and everything else.